Okay guys, today we're just going to use some Dollar Tree products, wooden plaques to just to make some signs to hang up through the house. So check it out. Right here you'll see me just cutting out the words that I want to go on my plaque. You'll see it's in pink. The lettering is going to be in pink, and it's going to go on a dark piece of Dollar Tree wooden plaque. Here once again I'm showing you some of the things that I'm going to cut out. And this was the first cutout that I did that I didn't like. So we're going to use this one here. That's the pink one. And we're going to use Hennessy as the black cutout. And I want to show you guys, this is what I use here to hold down my, as you can see the tape right there to hold down my vinyl. And this is the one I cut out, but I cut it out wrong. So I had to do it all over again. Kudos to me. And this is the white plastic that we're going to use. We're going to put that sign on. People seems to be using this for all type of events, weddings, baby showers and all. So you'll see me peel the plastic off. And this is the sign that's going to go on that plastic piece, guys. That plastic piece is very important. And I had to use the strong transfer tape here because it would not work on, this is not regular transfer. This is for really thick metallic vinyl, glitter vinyl, stuff like that. And you'll see right here where I'm trying to line it up. I have it lined up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm laying it down using my smoother. Again, you're going to see me peel it off, and this project right here is done. It's kind of hard to get that film off the back of it, but yeah, we're going to get it done. And guys, while I got you here, I want to thank you so much for checking out my channel, and make sure you come back and hit that subscribe and like button. I appreciate you. So here we go. We're going to pull it off right now. You see how hard it is for me to pull it off? That's because that transfer paper is so sticky. But it works. It got the job done. And I wanted these letterings right here in pink. I cut it out in pink, but I didn't use the right cutting setting. So I had to go use this. I had to cut it all over again and use that green. And this is the back of the plastic piece. I just took one of those hooks and put it on there. That way you can hang it from the wall. And it's a close-up shot on how it should be done. And there it is, guys, and it's ready to hang. So now we're going to put down our cutout lettering on our Dollar Tree wooden plaque. And you can see, guys, Dollar Tree has some really nice wooden plaques. I don't know if they still sell these, but I have quite a few. And yeah, look how beautiful that comes out. So we're just going to put that hook on the back of that and also hang that. I think it's so cool. And again, we're going to do the same process all over again, but with different wording. Now this vinyl here, this transfer sheet here is different from the other one that we use. This one here comes off very easy. It's not as heavy duty as the other one. Look how pretty that comes off. I love it. And guys, you can make all kind of signs and things and sell them if you choose to. This is fabulous right here. Again, that's Dollar Tree wooden plaques. I don't know if they still sell them, but they should, because that's a wonderful, wonderful piece. All I did was just put some burnt paint on it. Or maybe I even shellacked it. I'm not sure. But look how sweet this is. Look how pretty this is. Now, the reason why I like using that dark, because you can use basically any beautiful color to go on top of it. Pink, yellow, beige, white. Any bright color would set this off right here. But I chose the pink. I was thinking about light blue. That would have worked also. It would have looked nice on top of that. So all you see me doing is smoothing it down. I'm using my scraper to do that. That's so both of the pieces can come together as one. A heave. There you go. So I'm pulling it off now. And this one here was really easy to do. So this project here is the second one, and it's finished. And here it is just as a little close-up. Look how beautiful that looks. And once again, with those wooden plaques, you could put about anything on it. And this one here is my favorite one. I really, really like this one. We're going through the same process, using our scraper to scrape it off to make it a heave to the transfer paper. And this one here is supposed to be a half moon. It's supposed to be a face. It was supposed to be a lady's face on there, but I messed that one up, so I just kept going. But this one here came out really nice too. I'm going to put that on a light wood. I didn't shellac it or paint it or anything. So it's going to be the natural color that Dollar Tree carry. And like I said, if you choose to change your color, you can. It does great with the painting on top of it, shellacking. And as you can see, look how smooth that is. So this is just regular vinyl right here. This is not like that heavy duty vinyl that we use for the metallic. Once again, for the metallic and the glitter and certain pieces, you need to use heavy duty transfer. But this one here is almost finished too, guys. This one here came out really cute. I like this one. I might be giving these wooden plaques away to one of my favorite girls. We'll see. But just check it out, guys. Isn't that cute? And guys, once again, you can do this on any type of wood, any size. Yeah, once you have that Cricut cutting machine, it'll work. Look at this. Isn't that cool? So guys, that's the third project. And I believe that's all I have for you today. But I want to thank you so much for checking in. And this one here is ready for hanging. So sore today and strong tomorrow. That's my motto, guys. Especially if you're doing a little workout.